As we begin our meditation, I invite you to settle into your seat with your feet on the floor and your hands loosely in your lap. You might want to close your eyes to shut out any visual distractions. And now, give yourself permission to go within. Breathing in a couple of deep cleansing breaths. Let the breath move from the top of your head, filling your lungs and moving into your core. And then release. Maybe inhaling to a count of 6 or 8 and releasing to a count of 8 or 10. Using your breath as your guide, relax and move into that place of calmness and peace. Inhaling and exhaling, calm and steady. If your thoughts wander during this meditation, that's fine. Just go back to your breath, inhaling and exhaling, comfortably and consistently. As the song says, "Oh, fill me with thy presence, Lord, that love may shine through me." Breathe these words into your heart, releasing any anxiety or tension that you may be holding on to. Check in with your body. Is there any tension or tightness in your body? With your next inhale, breathe into that spot. Calm and steady. Inhale and exhale. In Frank Whitney's prayer, The Presence, he affirms, "The Christ, the presence of light, peace, joy, love, life and substance, is ever within, about, before, and beside me. The Christ guides, inspires, comforts, heals, and prospers me. My thoughts are filled with light and joy. My body is purified, strengthened, and healed. I realize my oneness with the Christ life, truth, and love. I have faith in the Christ to direct my every step, to relieve me of all anxiety, to cure me of disease, to manage all my interests, to protect and bless me." Look to the presence of the Christ and behold my own perfection and the perfection of the world. I wonder, what is keeping you from seeing your own perfection? What do you desire more of in your life? What would you like to release to create a space for more goodness, for more God to flow into your life? Ebb and flow, in and out. Emily Cady affirmed that Christ is my abundant supply. He is here within me now and greatly desires to manifest himself as my supply. His desires are fulfilled now. Do not let your thoughts run to how, but hold steady to the thought of the supply right here and now. Take your eyes away from other sources, and he will surely honor your faith by manifesting himself as your supply 100-fold more abundantly than you have ever asked for or thought possible. I love that. Do not let your thoughts run off into how he's going to do it, but just hold steady to the thought of supply here and now, taking your eyes off of other sources. Eye has not seen and ear has not heard the good that God has for you. See the good flowing into your life. And maybe even more important than seeing the good, feel the good. Feel it spark joy in your life. It's the feeling that ignites the manifestation of our desires. It's the feeling that ignites the manifestations of our desire. If you doubt that, think of worry. Reverse prayer. We do everything in worry that we're supposed to do to affirm and manifest. We run over and over it in our mind. We play it out constantly. We fear it until it shows up in our face and in our body. Worried sick comes to mind. So feel the good that your heart desires. Breathe in that feeling of fullness. Relax into the thought and the feeling of more light, more peace, more joy, more substance. Release fear, anxiety, tension. And in its place, feel love, prosperity, healing, joy, and peace. Let the music take you deeper into the presence of light, that Christ light within you. And now, as you gently bring yourself back, know that you are loved beyond measure. You are a child of God, and it is God's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. Thank you, God. Amen.